Hello, beautiful people. Future me. Welcome to another programming workout, and today we will be doing 5 minutes of typing, and then Java Exosystems.io. All right, we'll do that. Hello, Java. Okay, but first we will type. So typing.io, and we will go from there. Improve my typing. Erlang. Okay. And start the timer. I'm out. I read it metal. Okay, I didn't felt bad. I think I was slightly faster than normal. 42 and 4%. That's not bad. That's not bad. I'm not complaining. But we'll stick to it like a post mark. My alarm. Go finish this and go sleep. Okay, and we are done with this. So bye. I'll stop this timer. I'll start that one. And we have what? Approved. Cool. Oh, let's see. Hello. I don't even remember what I did here. Instructions. Given a word, computer Scrabble score for that word. Da 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 da. Okay. 3 points for C. Cabbage. BBG. Okay. And I'm doing what? I have a class Scrabble. And we have a hash map character integer. And we wrote some map filler because I was lazy too. I think I can have map offer now. The new version of Java, so it will be quicker than this thing over here. Okay, what does he say? That's perfect. You're handling the search for the points in O1, and all you do is to loop and get the points related to each letter and sum them. The overall composite is O(n). No problem to upload the solution. However, we can make it much clearer by using Java 8 and the stream. If you are still interested, you can push another solution with this feature and we'll review it, or if you need help on this, feel free to ask me. 127 days ago. Okay. Um, so what do you want? Char, word array. We have that score. It will be long gone now, I think. Let's go to like the smallest ones to do them in this exercise. The old exercise, and we will go to Instagram, grains, ISBN. So let's open ISBN, for example, ISBN and in the Java, yes, and this window. That one is completed, right? I suppose. Well, anyway, I will use just this to download new exercise, and that will be Luhen. 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 Okay, enough of this horseshit. And we will open it. Oh yes, open. And that was the Luhen or whatever. Oh, come on. Go. This window, yes. Do you want to terminate the I have a process in here? I've been very far import. Yeah. Why? Terminating. Okay, so we will read. Meanwhile, given a number, determine whether or not is valid per Loon formula. Loon algorithm. Come on, I'm reading. A Loon algorithm is a simple checksum formula used to validate a variety of identifications numbers such as credit card numbers and Canadian social. Oh, the task is to check if a given string is valid. Correct number. The first step to do an algorithm is to double every second digit starting from the right. Okay, every second digit starting from the right, and then sum it. And if it's divisible by 10, it's okay. Okay. And we have a testing Gradle. Cool, cool. And they have it here too. I could view it in here. Well, whatever. We'll go here to the main Loom validator, and we want to open also Loom whatever else as Java test. Okay, and we want select all of those. It was all J, all of them, and we will delete that line because we want all the tests to run. So we will go from there, I guess. If I run it now, this guy, what am I running? Am I running everything, or am I running? What am I? Am I running just this one? I'm interested. Test file. Yeah, so it runs just that, I guess. So now I will run this. Okay, this one looks better. So here we go. That's what we want. Well, not definitely. Well, you know what I mean. And here we'll go this, and this is a string. Okay, so we can split this string into array. So we say what was it? String array split equals to candidate dot split like that, and that probably should do something. Then we will go for e, and e will be split length. Yeah, this one, and crap. And here we will be I greater equals 0, and we'll do I, and we will subtract 2 each time, and then we will say split dot split, and the ith addition will be equal to split at the ith condition, but we will convert it to integer. Or can I do int? That was integer parse int. Integer parse int. Here we go. This, and I will move to the back. Integer parse int times 2 times 2, and this one we will do string, right? Okay, so what's the matter? What's the matter? Integer parse int is okay, and if I delete you, you'll have which problem? You will have a problem. Strong provided int, and I want this is weird. We will say extract variable. Yeah, this one. Okay, cool. I1, and at the I1 we will call method. Damn it. What the integer percent is. Or we just say integer percent, and we will say here will be new integer. Then we will say I1 times 2 and an integer. Okay, and then we will say to string. Okay, so that should work. I see. I need to like put everyone, right? So um, we will split it. We want to split, then convert it, and then mm, and multiply the numbers in it. Then do the sum. And that's okay, so this is not what I'm supposed to do. So step number 1 will be split. Then we will convert parse to int, and then we will double numbers, then sum divisible and return divisible by 10. Okay, so those are the steps we will do. So split is here, then we will parse into int, so we will say int numbers equal yeah, will be equal to int, and here will be split dot length. Or this guy over here, right? Oh, yeah, and maybe like this. X placed, not comma, but equal. Okay, so this is how, how you do it. And we will do for I, and there will be I, and it will be greater equal to 0. This will be split dot length -1, -1, and here will be I minus minus, like so, and we will say numbers dot I will be equal to integer parse int, and we will put in split the ith. Okay, I can double it here as well. If now I will just do that. So this will be to the integer, and here we will say I could do the same thing in here. Duplicate, and will be I minus equals 2, and we will say numbers I equal to times equal to, can I do that? Hope so. So here I double the numbers, then I sum them. Sum, and I, oh come on, of numbers, and we say sum plus equal I. Here we go. What's the problem? Might not have been initialized, yeah. Sorry about that. And we will return sum divisible by 10 equal to 0. And we can run the tests and see. Okay. That's not the best thing. So what do we have here? For input string. Okay. This valid number with an odd spaces. Spaces are okay. So what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, false, false. Okay, so I should probably trim all those spaces and so on. And this guy as well. Okay, so what is accepted? Dashes and spaces. Okay, so we will do replace, and that will be, so we will say candidate dot replace, replace all, and there will be string regex. Okay, so this will be that one, and it will be space or dash. This must be escaped, I think, with nothing. Okay, and this one, illegal escape character. I don't know. Candidate replace, and here we will say space with nothing. Okay. Empty character. Yeah, that's what I wanted. R, that is candidate. Trim, right? And that was dash. Okay, so dash with space. Dash with space first. And then we will trim it, but I'm not sure about the trim. Trim string Latin UTF. Returns a string whose value is a string with any leading and trailing white space removed. Okay, but I want the white space removed, all of them. So this is not the thing I was looking for. So it might be something else, but what? Candidate replace all. Come on. It is a replace all, but I don't know how to use it. Char sequence. Okay. Here we go. Trim strip. strip. String cluster leaving trailing white spaces. Character is white space. There are. Okay, so this is not it. This is not it. A white space from strings in Java. Hmm. Any with the. Okay, so this is it. And I will say that. And I will also say here and the dashes. Okay, and maybe now it will work. And everything failed. Okay, so we are over the time limit, which means we are done. That is better than perfect, and I'll see you next time. Bye.